Lush Loom has successfully completed another premium curtain installation project in Town Square, Dubai. In this modern apartment, our team installed custom blackout and sheer curtains designed to enhance comfort, privacy, and style inside the apartment. At first, everything looked perfect. But just a few days later, the homeowner contacted us with an important concern. Natural light was still entering the rooms, privacy wasn't at the expected level, and outside road noise was affecting the peaceful atmosphere inside the apartment. Rather than offering a quick fix, our team scheduled an on-site consultation. We arrived with our latest collection of premium blackout and sheer fabric samples. Together with the homeowner, we carefully reviewed every room, discussed their concerns, explored different fabric options, selected elegant colors, finalized the header style, and created a solution tailored to their lifestyle. Using precise digital measurements, we installed a ceiling-mounted double curtain track to provide complete window coverage without gaps. For a luxurious finish, we selected a triple pinch-pleat header style that creates perfectly uniform folds across every curtain panel. The blackout curtains were crafted in a warm beige tone to add elegance and warmth, while the bright white sheer curtains allow beautiful natural daylight to enter while maintaining a soft, airy feel. The layered design lets the homeowner enjoy filtered daylight during the day and complete darkness and privacy at night. After installation, every curtain panel was thoroughly tested to ensure smooth movement, perfect alignment, and flawless operation. Every detail met Lush Loom's high-quality standards before the final handover. Lush Loom has successfully completed another premium curtain installation project, this time at Sunshine Residences, Dubai. The goal was simple: reduce outside noise, improve privacy, and create a peaceful, luxurious living space with high-performance soundproof curtains. Our team began with a detailed on-site consultation, carefully assessing every window and understanding the homeowner's concerns about traffic noise, excessive sunlight, and indoor comfort. After reviewing multiple premium fabric options, we selected heavy-duty soundproof curtains in an elegant neutral tone that perfectly complemented the apartment's modern interior. Using precise digital measurements, we installed a heavy-duty ceiling-mounted curtain track to ensure complete window coverage without gaps. Each curtain panel was custom-made with perfectly aligned triple pinch pleats, creating a luxurious finish while maximizing acoustic performance. The premium multi-layer fabric helps absorb outside noise, block unwanted sunlight, and improve overall energy efficiency. Once the installation was complete, every curtain was carefully tested to ensure smooth operation, flawless alignment, and a perfect finish. The result was a quieter, more private, and more comfortable living environment with a sophisticated luxury appearance. Another successful project proudly completed by Lush Loom, where premium craftsmanship meets exceptional comfort. If you're looking for professionally installed soundproof curtains in Dubai, contact Lush Loom today and let us transform your home with stylish, high-performance window solutions.